To add an image to your book cover, go to the File menu and choose Open as Layers. Select the save image that you would like to use and click Open. In the Layers panel, you can use the up and down arrow buttons to raise or lower that layer in the stack. You can think of it like changing the order of pieces of paper in your stack. If you wish for the image to appear at the very top, you can move it using the arrows. This way it will cover over the text. If you wish for the text layers to appear above the image, move the image layer below the text layers. If your image is too large or small to fit properly on your book cover, you can resize it. Make sure your image layer is selected, then go to the Layer menu and choose Scale Layer. To match the size of your book cover, make the width value the same 1600 that you used when first creating your book cover. If you click in the height box, GIMP will automatically adjust the height value accordingly. Then click the Scale button. Now your image perfectly fits the width of your book cover. You can use the Move tool and Alignment tool on the image layer to adjust its position. Make sure to go to File and Save to save changes that you're satisfied with. Next, go to File and choose Export As. Click the Export button, and in the new window that appears, click the Export button again. This creates an image you can use for your book cover. With that, you have a simple book cover created.